people. Ever since I started my channel, it's my intent to always speak about channels and books and movies. Everybody like should watch and should visit. If it's a channel. So there is this channel called Wing It with Ankush, and honestly, regardless of whether I make this very grandeur video, here this particular channel everybody should follow, especially during this festive time, because no, yeah, no matter how much I try to improve on my content, if I don't do a simple thing like improve the way I look in the videos, which can be helped with a certain amount of makeup, it'll be futile no matter how good your content. Sometimes it's all about looks. Yeah, the world today is like that. So when I connected with this gentleman, uh, Ankush Bahuguna on Instagram, he was so prompt in his response, and overall it's just that kindness of a person. I mean, he's a celebrity vlogger, so to speak, and to some random chubby single mother who sends him a message, he took the time out to respond to that. So I found that so nice. Yeah, so people, no, see, I'm getting so emotional because in today's time and age, it's these little acts of kindness that make all the difference. So people, first of all, please check out my Instagram profile, Amrita Suresh 111111, and that's where I did a small post on Ankush sir, because when a person is so nice, regardless of their age, you just spontaneously want to call them sir, because it's just that goodness. So do check out this YouTube channel. It's called Wing It with Ankush, and especially during this festive time, all of us can do with some makeup. Yeah, I mean, like, seriously, I really should sit and watch his videos, like binge watch them to get some buddhi on how to put makeup. So really, all of us can do with this gyan. And so on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.